It's time for Money Time on Money9. Hello and welcome. I'm Shrestha Tiwari. Let's quickly take a look back at all the big personal finance stories of the day. Beginning with LIC today, if you are a policy holder of LIC and your policy has lapsed due to any reason, then you can renew your lapsed policy from August 17 to October 23, 2022. Moreover, the insurer has said that you will also get 25% concession on late fee if your outstanding premium is up to 1 lakh rupees. Whereas if your outstanding premium is from 1 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees, then you will get a maximum concession of 3,000 rupees on the late fee. If the premium amount is above 3 lakh rupees, then you will get a concession of 30% on the late fee. One important thing to note here is that you can avail the concessions only if you have a non-ULIP policy. Come another day and two more banks have raised their fixed deposit interest rates. Bank account holders of the private sector lender Kotak Mahindra Bank will now get higher interest rates on fixed deposits across tenures. Kotak Bank account holders now can earn an interest rate of as high as 5.9% on FDs of 390 days. This is the highest rate of interest that account holders can earn by opening an FD with the Mumbai-based lender. After the rate hike, Kotak Mahindra Bank account holders will get interest rates in the range of 2.5% to 5.9% on FDs of different tenures. Another bank, the Punjab National Bank, has also raised their FD interest rates across tenures. Bank account holders will now earn an interest rate of as high as 5.75%. But for this, they will have to open the FD for a period of above 3 years and up to 5 years. PNB account holders will get interest rates in the range of 3% to 5.75% on the fixed deposits of different tenures. The new rates are applicable only on those FDs which will be opened for less than 2 crore rupees in the case of both the lenders. Senior citizens will get additional interest rate of 0.5% over and above regular interest rates. And talking about FDs, a small finance bank is giving senior citizens an additional interest rate of 0.75% on FDs of various tenures. Generally, other banks give additional interest rate of 0.5% to senior citizens, but Ujjivan Small Finance Bank is giving additional interest of 0.75% over and above regular interest rates. Because of this, senior citizens can get interest rate of as high as 8.25% for FDs opened for 75 weeks or 525 days. This higher interest rate may be available only for a limited period, as the Small Finance Bank had recently increased interest rates on the eve of the 76th Independence Day. So let's check out what other interest rates you can get if you open FD with the Small Finance Bank. Well, you will get an interest rates in the range of 3.75% to 7.5% for FDs of different tenures. These are one of the best interest rates currently given by various banks across the country. And staying with Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, from September 15, 2022 onwards, they will have to pay penalty of 25 rupees plus GST and other taxes after the free ATM cash withdrawal transactions in a month. The penalty will be levied if the account holder tries to withdraw cash from the ATM with insufficient balance. Bank account holders of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank get up to 5 free ATM transactions every month. And if you are looking to invest in a flexicap fund, then here is a brand new option for you. Sundaram Mutual Fund has announced the launch of its new open-ended equity scheme, Sundaram Flexicap Fund. The NFO will invest across sectors in large, mid and small cap stocks. Subscriptions opened from August 16th, the last date for subscribing is August 30th, and the fund will be managed by Sudhir Kedia and Ravi Gopalakrishnan. The latter has said that the scheme would invest in 55 to 70 companies from Nifty 500 TRI index. And finally, people get relief from rising prices of CNG and PNG in Mumbai. Mumbaikars will now have to pay 4 rupees less on every unit of PNG consumed and 6 rupees less on every kg of CNG utilized. Mahanagar Gas has cut PNG prices to 48.50 rupees per standard cubic meter, while CNG prices have been reduced to 80 rupees per kg in the island city. Well over to wheat prices, where there seems to be no relief. Prices of wheat have soared by more than 18% in the last 4 months. In April this year, wheat was being sold at an average price of 22 rupees per kg, but by August, wheat prices have soared to 26 rupees per kg. The point to worry is that, according to traders, wheat prices is likely to remain at current levels right till April next year. According to media reports, stock of wheat with the government is also lower than normal levels. Supply of wheat has been hit due to various reasons. Recent steps taken by the government has not been too fruitful. In such a situation, wheat prices are expected to remain at a higher for the time being. Well, over to wheat prices, where there seems to be no relief. Prices of wheat have soared by more than 18% in the last 4 months. In April this year, wheat was being sold at an average price of 22 rupees per kg, but by August, wheat prices have soared 26 rupees per kg. And point to worry is that, according to traders, wheat prices is likely to remain at current levels right till April next year. According to media reports, stock of wheat with the government is also lower than normal levels. Supply of wheat has been hit due to various reasons. Recent steps taken by the government have not been too fruitful. In such a situation, wheat prices are expected to remain higher for the time being. Next up, we have news for all those risk-averse investors who like to invest in financial instruments like government bonds. According to global brokerage Goldman Sachs, India's sovereign bonds may be added to JP Morgan's global index, which is GBI EM Global Diversified Bond Index. Many government bonds of China and Indonesia are already listed on the JP Morgan's global index. According to analysts, listing of India's sovereign bonds on the global index may motivate many foreign investors to buy countries' government bonds. This could trigger a sharp upsurge in bond prices. Moreover, it will also help the government of India to improve current account and fiscal deficits. And a quick update from the auto world, Maruti Suzuki is all set to launch the new Alto K10 in the country on Thursday. The car maker commenced bookings of the model for an amount of 11,000 rupees earlier this month. Estimate price is reported to be in the range of 3.5 to 5.5 lakh rupees. The model is expected to be offered in 7 variants. Alright, let's look at a couple of gadgets which were launched today. US electronics major Motorola launched a new tablet, the Moto Tab G62. It is available at an exclusive price of just 17,999 rupees on Flipkart. The tablet will be available in 2 variants. Chinese electronics major Vivo has also launched a new smartphone, which is Vivo V25 Pro. The base variant of the smartphone is priced at 35,999 rupees. Customers can buy it from August 25, 2022. HDFC Bank customers can get discount of 3,500 rupees, and customers will also get an additional exchange offer of 3,000 rupees on the smartphone. It will be available in black and blue hues. And ending today's segment with markets, the Sensex ended above the crucial 60,000 mark for the first time since April 5th. The broader NSE Nifty also crossed the 17,900 mark after 4 months, upsurging 119 points on Wednesday. From the Sensex pack, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, Bharti Airtel, Tech Mahindra, HCL Technologies, NTPC, Wipro and Hindustan Unilever were the biggest gainers. Vinod Nair, who is the head of research at Geojit Financial Services Consistent, has said that participation by FII is the backbone of the current rally in the domestic market. This reversal in the FII trend is owed to the resilience showcased by the Indian economy even at the current times of rising inflation. On Wednesday, international oil benchmark Brent crude dipped 0.13% to $92.22 per barrel. Yes, that was all on today's Money Time, and yes, do not forget to download India's first multilingual multimedia personal finance OTT channel, Money9 app, which is now on Google Play and App Store for all your other personal finance updates. Stay tuned to Money9.